In the annals of Arctic exploration, one story stands out as a chilling mystery that has captivated the world for over a century and a half. The lost expedition of Sir John Franklin, a tale of courage, ambition, and ultimately, tragedy. In 1845, Sir John Franklin, an experienced British Royal Navy officer and Arctic explorer, set sail with two ships, HMS Erebus and HMS Terror, on a mission to chart the Northwest Passage. This treacherous sea route through the Arctic promised a faster trade link between Europe and Asia. Franklin, then 59 years old, led a crew of 129 men, all eager to make their mark on history. The expedition was well equipped for its time, with ships reinforced to withstand ice and stocked with years' worth of provisions. They departed from England with high hopes, cheered on by a public fascinated with Arctic exploration. The ships were last seen by European whalers in Baffin Bay in July 1845, waiting for good conditions to enter Lancaster Sound. Then, silence fell. Months turned into years with no word from Franklin or his men. As concern grew, the Admiralty launched a series of search expeditions. These rescue missions, ironically, contributed significantly to mapping the Arctic, but found no trace of Franklin's ships or crew. It wasn't until 1859, 14 years after the expedition's departure, that search parties began to uncover clues. A note found on King William Island revealed that both ships had become trapped in ice in 1846. Franklin had died in 1847, and the surviving crew had abandoned the ships in 1848, attempting to reach the Canadian mainland on foot. Over the following decades, more evidence emerged. Inuit accounts spoke of starving white men seen traveling across the ice. Skeletal remains were discovered, some showing signs of cut marks, suggesting the desperate crew may have resorted to cannibalism in their final days. Modern scientific analysis of recovered bodies indicated that lead poisoning from poorly solid food cans might have contributed to the crew's demise. The harsh Arctic conditions, scurvy, and potential tuberculosis outbreaks likely played roles in the expedition's fate as well. The mystery of the lost Franklin expedition persisted into the 21st century. In 2014, an incredible discovery was made. The wreck of HMS Erebus was found in shallow waters of Victoria Strait. 2 years later, HMS Terror was located in Terror Bay, remarkably well preserved in the icy waters. These discoveries have provided new insights into the expedition's final months, but many questions remain unanswered. The tragedy of the Franklin expedition serves as a stark reminder of the unforgiving nature of Arctic exploration and the high price of human ambition. The lost expedition of Sir John Franklin, while ending in disaster, left an indelible mark on history. It spurred further Arctic exploration, contributed to the mapping of Canada's northern coastline, and continues to fascinate researchers and the public alike. The story of these brave men, who ventured into the unknown and never returned, remains a poignant chapter in the history of exploration, reminding us of the indomitable human spirit in the face of nature's harshest challenges.